Jame, a journey home, and the dawn of a beautiful love. Jame was born and raised in a lush, verdant corner of northern Vietnam, where misty mountains wove seamlessly into the gentle rhythm of rural life. His family stood as pillars of their village, prosperous and influential, led by his father Peter Nguyen, known far and wide as the Timber King for his thriving, decades-old woodworking empire. In their ancestral home, nestled in a verdant valley, Jame grew up bathed in his father's love and lofty expectations. By his side was his younger brother, Hung, a spirited, quick-witted boy who looked up to his calm, studious older brother with quiet awe. From a young age, while others assumed Jame would inherit his father's legacy, he harbored a different dream to become a doctor. For him, healing bodies and restoring smiles was a calling far greater than any fortune. Undeterred by raised eyebrows over the Timber King's son pursuing medicine, Jame poured himself into his studies, earning a coveted spot at a prestigious medical school in the city. Years later, he emerged as a gifted young plastic surgeon, his deft hands, warm heart, and unwavering dedication earning him a glowing reputation. He settled into a sleek city apartment, his life steady and full of promise. Yet deep within, Jame felt an unshakable void, a longing for connection, for roots, for the peace he couldn't find amid the city's clamor. Then came a call from his father. Peter's voice, once steady as oak, trembled. The woodworking business was crumbling, major partners were pulling out, workers were restless, and for the first time, the indomitable Timber King admitted he could no longer bear the weight alone. Jame spent sleepless nights wrestling with his thoughts. He gazed at his white doctor's coat hanging in the corner, then folded it with quiet resolve. Though he loved his work, he knew some moments in life demanded a higher loyalty family. He returned to his village, traveling winding roads where the scent of forest pines and damp wood seeped into his clothes, stirring memories of childhood. It was on this journey that fate introduced him to Diep. She sat by the roadside, clutching a basket of greens, her eyes shadowed with worry. In that fleeting moment, something unspoken sparked between them. Diep lived alone, gentle yet resilient, her quiet strength captivating. She didn't know Jame's name or his family's legacy, nor did she care about his wealth or fame. To her, he was simply a kind, unassuming man who noticed others. Their conversations grew, blossoming during Jame's visits to the small market where Diep sold her vegetables and herbs. Neither spoke of love, but their hearts were quietly shifting. As Jame threw himself into reviving the family's woodworking business, navigating the needs of hundreds of workers and new challenges, Diep became his haven, the one place of calm he sought each evening. Their love grew not with fanfare, but with the steady, soulful rhythm of shared glances and small gestures, rooted in sincerity. Today, Jame has restored the woodworking empire to its former glory. More than that, he has found something far more precious, a woman who makes every homecoming worth it. Jame's journey reminds us that sometimes, veering from the path we've planned isn't a loss, but a discovery of something far more meaningful. Stay tuned for more stories of Jame and Diep, a simple, heartfelt tale that will warm anyone who still believes in true love.